Here I've got ELEPHONE P8000 and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Under wireless and networks, you should tap on more. And then click on tethering and portable hotspot. In order to activate it, click on Wi-Fi Hotspot and then tap on this switcher. Give your device a few seconds. And as you can see now, you've got the notification, the sign that your Wi-Fi hotspot is active. If you would like to personalize it, so if you want to change the network name and also the password, click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And now simply by deleting the current one, the current network name, you can enter a new one, and then if you would like to change this one, you can enter it over here. You just have to remember that your password must have at least 8 characters, then you can switch it off and then tap on save. Give your device a few seconds to upload the updates, and that's it. Now you can use your Wi-Fi hotspot whenever you want to. You can connect more devices to it, and then if you would like to switch it off, just click on this switcher to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's it. This is how you can use your Wi-Fi hotspot. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.